Now let's continue with the same problem. We have found the LCM to be 20 and I am finding the equivalent fraction for each and every fraction here, and the last one is 9 by 4. What has to be multiplied by 4 to get 20? It is 5. So 9 5s are 45. So we will have 45 by 20. So this is equivalent to 60 is to 48 is to 45. Now all these three numbers 60, 48 and 45 are divisible by 3. So again I am simplifying it. If I have a common factor, I can simplify it. If I divide by 3 each and every number, what will I get? 20. Here 1 3 is 3, carry 1, 6 3s are 18. Here again 1 3 is 3, carry 1, 5 3s are 15. So what is the simplest form? 20 is to 16 is to 15. Further I cannot simplify it. All these three numbers are not divisible in the same common number. Okay children, now the next thing is compare the following ratios. It is very similar to comparing the fractions. Let me begin with the first one, and B and C are again homework for you that you have to do it in your homework note, and D we will do. Okay, now let us start with the first one. 5 is to 7 and 4 is to 3. How will we write? In fraction, we will write it as 5 by 7 and 4 by 3. Very similar. We have to find the LCM of 7 and 3. We don't have any common factor. So it is 7 into 3 is going to be the LCM. So we will have 5 by 7 is the equivalent fraction. How to find the equivalent fraction for this 5 by 7? Yes. By multiplying by 3 both in numerator and denominator, we will have 5 3s are 15 divided by 21. And what about by 4 by 3? It has to be multiplied by 7. Because 7 3s are 21, this LCM. Okay, 7 4s are 28 by 21. And now which is greater? Yes, 28 by 21 is greater fraction. This 15 by 21 is equivalent to 5 by 7. Is less than 4 by 3. So again you will write it as 5 is to 7 is less than 4 is to 3. Hope it is clear. Now let us move to the next sum. 2 3 by 4 is to 1 2 by 3. You have to convert everything into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8. 11 by 4 is to 3 4 5 by 3, and this I have to write it as 12 by 10 is to 15 by 10. Here we don't have a simple fraction. I have to convert this fully as one fraction, isn't it? See the previous problem, this full ratio is one fraction, isn't it? But now here we have two fractions in ratios. I have to simplify this first, again this, and then I have to compare. Okay, how to simplify this? I have to again find the LCM of these two. 4 3s are 12. So what has to be multiplied? 3 3. So what will I get? 33 by 12. Here 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 divided by 12, and here I have already same denominator, so I can write 12 is to 15. Now this has simplified. This has been simplified. What about this? Yes, we can simplify this as 33 is to 20. Now you have to compare 33 is to 20 and 12 is to 15. This you can compare it as 33 by 20 and 12 by 15. Now you have to find the LCM of 20 and 15. 20 and 15. Starting with 5 table, 4 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15. We don't have any common factors. So what is LCM? 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. Okay. Now let me find the equivalent fraction. So 33 by 20. What should be multiplied by 20 to get 60? 3. So what will I get? 99 by 60. And what about this 15? 4. Only then I will get 60. 15 4s are 60. 12 4s are 48. 48 by 60. Now which is greater? Very good. 99 by 60 is greater than. Now I am not using the symbol and. Now I am using 99 by 60 is greater than 48 by 60. Which is equivalent to this 99 by 60. First ratio. 2, 3 by 4 is to 1, 2 by 3 is greater than 1 is 1.2 is to 1.5. Is it clear, children? First you have to simplify the ratio. This ratios are, you have to simplify it. That we learned in first slide. Okay, then for comparing again I have to find the LCM. Is it clear, children? Don't take it very big sum. Try to make it simpler. Okay, you have to do 2 sums of this model. Then determine if the following form a proportion or not. First thing is check whether the units are in same. Here the units are same. Here what about this? No. So let me convert everything into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This I don't need to change. It will be written as it is $40 and $160. And what are the means now? 140. To check whether they are proportional, you have to write the statement. Proportional. Product of mean is equal to product of extremes. It should be equal. Only if they are equal we can say they are proportional. If they are not equal, they are not proportional. Now let us check product of mean now. What is product of mean? 100. Mean numbers are 100 into 40. What about extremes? Sorry, yes, not T. Okay, product of extreme are 25 into 160. Now come on, multiply and give me the answer. For this you will have, in next line you have to write 4000. What about this 25 into 160? Have you multiplied? Yes, again it is also 4000. As both are equal, I can say the given question form a proportion. You have to write conclude in the last line or forms a proportion. Forms a proportion. Is it clear? Now shall we check the next one? Okay, 6 point. These both are, everything is in proper units. So I have to find product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Here I started with product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Isn't it? Same way I am going to start with. Product of mean if they are proportional. If proportional. I am considering if proportional. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Now multiply and check. Okay. What is product of mean? 13 into 50. What about extremes? 6.5 into 10. If I multiply this, 6.5, 13 into 50. Yes. 5 3s are 15. Carry 1. 5, 6, 6, 5, 0. What about here? If I multiply by 10, just 1 point it gets transferred. Are they equal? They are not equal. So I can say this given proportional, the following ratios do not form a proportion. The given ratios are not proportional. Given ratios are not proportional. Is it clear, children? If they are equal, they are proportion. They are in proportion or they are proportional. In proportion, or you should say they are proportional. Both means the same. In next question, if they are in proportion, see they have said that these things are in proportion. You have to find the value of x. Here I can say 4 is to 5 proportional to x is to 480. Okay, product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Whenever they talk about proportional, immediately these statements should get into your mind. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Okay, what are means now? 5 into x. What about extremes? 4 into 480. What should I find? X. Where will this 5 go? It comes to the denominator. Now cancel it. 9 5s are 45. Carry 3. 6 5s are 30. Now multiply 96 and 4. Do I get 384? Yes. So what is the value of x now? It is 34. So you may get a question. They are in proportion and find the value of x. Okay. In word problems, how will we have? First one is they will give you the whole and they may ask you to divide this whole in the given ratio. Okay. The next part is they will give you part of this and they may ask you to find the whole. You should be ready to do both. Okay children, shall we start? Okay, the whole is 3000. Total is 3000. Okay, it can be amount or counting of apples or counting of balls, something, or the whole strength of a school. Okay, now it is in the ratio 2:3:5. So how many parts are there? What is the total number of parts? Actually, 2 parts should go to the person P. Isn't it? 2 parts for the person P. How many parts will the Q get? 3. How many parts will the person R will get? 5. Isn't it? So totally how many parts are there? Parts in the sense, in Tamil we used to say no pangu. In your mother will used to share some snacks between you and your younger brother or sister or all your friends. In that share, the younger one will get more if it is something which is very soft and tasty, isn't it? If it is very spicy, elder one will get a bigger share. Okay, so this parts, how many parts are there? 8, 10 parts are there. Okay, so fraction received by P. What is the fraction received by P? Yes, it is 2/10. Out of 10, 2 parts he is going to get. So P's share is 2/10. Out of how much? 3000. First you have to find the fraction and multiply by the whole amount. So what will he get? 3 2s are 600. This is the share of P's. Now can you say me Q's share immediately? How to write the fraction? Yes, it is 3/10 into 3000. So what will he get? 900. Then what is R's share? 5/10 into 3000. If I cancel these two, I will get 5 3s are 15. Okay, 600, 900, 15. These are the shares got by P, Q and R. Now to check whether I am right, if I add up all these, what will I get? I will get 3000. That is there in the question. Is it clear children? Now it's your duty to complete these two sums. Earlier in 2 slides, I have pointed 4 problems to be done. Along with that, these 5 and 6 has to be done in your homework note. Totally only 6 problems you are going to do today and that has to be posted in Google Classroom. Is it clear children? Okay, let me explain you this question. In a bag of red and green sweets, the ratio of red and green sweets is 3:4. If the bag contains 120 green, how many red? It is like they are proportional and find x. Okay, of that model you have to do. Okay, you have to write the ratio as 120:x and find x. Hope you will do. The next thing is they have given the whole. Jayden and Isabella share a reward. First prize is being shared between 2, not first prize, a prize. In the ratio 2:3. It means she has one more compared to the Isabella. How much does Jayden got? This is total. You have to find the Jayden's share. It is of the last method that I have taught you. Hope it will be easy for you to complete it. For any clarification, you can call me personally. Okay children, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Thank you.